Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics, Grade 4. Quarter 4, Lesson 8. Our topic for today is about round decimal numbers to the nearest whole number and to the nearest tenths. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Round decimal numbers to the nearest whole number and to the nearest tenths. Day 1 to 2. Let's have first a short review. A. Compare each pair of decimals using symbols less than, greater than, or equals. And here's the answers for 1 to 10. Guide questions. Number 1. How do you know which of the two decimal numbers is bigger or smaller? The answer, compare the whole number part first. If they are the same, compare the decimal places from left to right. Number 2. What rule have you applied to identify which decimal is bigger or smaller? The answer, compare digits place by place. Starting from the left, the number with the larger digit in the first different place is bigger. B. Arrange the decimals from smallest to largest. Here's number 1 and number 2. And here are the answers. Question: how do you arrange the decimal numbers given in ascending or descending order? The answer, compare the whole number part first. If they are the same, compare the decimal places from left to right. Lesson purpose. Let the students answer the following questions. Did you answer the activity easily? Did you apply the rules in comparing and ordering decimals? Can you state the rules for ordering and comparing decimals? In what situations do you use rounding decimals in your daily life? How is rounding decimals useful to you? Share your answers to your classmates. Unlocking content vocabulary. Rounding decimals involves making a decimal simpler by shortening it to a given number of decimal places. Rounding decimals is a type of estimation used to make calculations easier. Here's example. Suppose Alexa walked a distance of 12.45 meters from their home to her school. How far did Alexa walk if you rounded 12.45 to whole number? Here's the illustration. Since 12.45 is 4 units nearer to 12 rather than 13, the distance Alexa walked from their house to the school is approximately 12 meters. When rounding off a decimal number to the nearest whole number, you are trying to find out which whole number the given number is closest to. Here, 12.45, rounding place, the digit to the right of the decimal place is less than 5. Leave the rounding digit alone. 12.45 rounded to the nearest whole number is 12. The image is a flowchart explaining how to round the decimal number. 12.45 to the nearest whole number. Rounding place, identify the place value to round to. Here, we are rounding to the nearest whole number, so we look at the ones place. Check the digit to the right. The tens place is 4. Is examined. Since 4 is less than 5, we leave the rounding digit 12 unchanged. Final answer, the number 12.45 rounded to the nearest whole number is 12. This follows the rounding rule. If the digit to the right is less than 5, keep rounding digit the same. If the digit to the right is 5 or more, round up by adding 1. In order to round decimals to the nearest whole number, A. Find the rounding place. B. Look at the digit immediately to the right of the rounding place. C. When the digit is 5 or greater, add 1 to the rounding digit. When it is less than 5, leave the rounding digit alone. D. Drop all the digits to the right of the rounded digit. And E. Write the rounded number. How to round a number to the nearest tenth. To round a number to the nearest tenth, A. Look at the hundredths digit, the digit after the tenth digit. B. If it is less than 5, then Round the number down by removing the decimal part of the number after the tens. C. If it is greater than or equal to 5, round the number up by adding 1 onto the tenth digit and removing the rest of the decimal part of the number. And D. Write the rounded number. When rounding a number to the nearest tenth, you are trying to find out which tenth of a number your number is closest to. Day 2. Words example. Example number 1. Round 78.67 to the nearest whole number. 78.67. 8 is the rounding place. 6 is to the right of the rounding digit. It is greater than 5. Add 1 to the rounding digit, and it will give us 79. Example number 2. Round 1.61 to the nearest tenths. 1.61. 6 is the rounding place. 1 is to the right of the rounding digit. It is less than 5. Leave the rounding digit the same. It will give us 1.6. Example number 3. Round off the following to the nearest whole number and tenths. First column, we have the numbers to be round off. Second column, nearest whole number. Third column, nearest tenths. Number 1, 2.85. It will give us 3 and 2.9. Number 2, 26.17, 26.2. Number 3, 3.478, 3.5. Number 4, 3.67, 3.7. And number 5, 7.26, 7 and 7.3. Number 6, 37.22, 37, 37.2. Number 7, 10.29, 10, 10.3. Number 8, 56.43, 56, 56.4. Number 9, 63.56, 64, 63.6. Number 10, 90.89, 91, 90.9. Activity number 1, match me. Draw an arrow to match each number when it is round off to the nearest tenths. $7.9, 6.75, 8.75, 1.87, 5.35, 3.42, 0.95, 9.89, 6.49, and 3.85. And here are the answers for activity number 1. Number 1, 8. Number 2, 6. Number 3, 9. Number 4, 2. Number 5, 5. Number 6, 4. Number 7, 6. Number 8, 10. Number 9, 1. And number 10, 3. Activity number 2, complete me. A. Round the following to the nearest whole number. Here's numbers 1 to 10. And here's the answers for activity 2. Number 1, 9. Number 2, 1. Number 3, 15. Number 4, 36. Number 5, 96. Number 6, 8. Number 7, 11. Number 8, 25. Number 9, 73. And number 10, 1. B. Complete the boxes below with tenths and round it off to the nearest whole number. Here's numbers 1 and 2. For numbers 3, 4, and 5. And here's the answers for activity 2B. Number 1, 3.10, 3. Number 2, 4.60, 5. Number 3, 26.20, 26. Number 4, 10.20, 10. Number 5, 16.50, 17. Activity number 3, who am I? Use the clues to find the correct answers from the 6 possibilities. Number 1, hints. Less than a whole. If you round me to the nearest whole, I round up. I have 2 decimal places. I am 0.7 when rounded off. Who am I? 0.57, 0.49, 0.72, 0.65, 0.54, or 1.02? The answer is 0.65. Number 2, I am larger than 8. To the nearest whole number, I stay the same. I have 2 decimal places. My ones and tens digits are both even. Who am I? 8.37, 8.24, 9.7, 9.68, 9.94, or 10.6? The answer is 8.24. Number 3, hints. If you round me to the nearest whole number, I stay the same. If you round me to the nearest tens, I stay the same. My ones and tens digits are odd. Who am I? 14.53, 12.78, 13.71, 11.36, 14.52, or 12.32? The answer is 13.71. Number 4, hints. I am an even number between 10 and 20. I round up when you round me to the nearest whole number. When you round me to the nearest tens, I round up. Who am I? 14.62, 13.22, 16.78, 18.46, 16.62, or 20.10? The answer is 16.78. Day 4, Learners' Takeaways. Take a moment to think about what you've learned today. In your reflection notes, write a few sentences about the key ideas that stood out to you. How can you apply this in real life? After writing, I'll ask 1 or 2 volunteers to share their thoughts with the class. Who wants to go first? Reflection on learning. Take out your reflection journal and write about your experience with rounding off decimals to the nearest whole number and tenths. Was it easy or challenging for you? Why? Where do you think rounding off is useful in real life? How can this skill help you in your daily activities? Let's have our formative assessment. A. Encircle the letter of the best answer. Number 1. What is 5.35 rounded to the nearest tens? A. 5. B. 5.3. C. 5.4. Or D. 6. The answer is letter C. 5.4. Number 2, what is 59.54 rounded to the nearest whole number? A. 59, B. 59.5, C. 59.6, or D. 60? The answer is letter D. 60. Number 3, what number when rounded to the nearest whole number become 83? A. 82.4, B. 82.54, C. 83.55, or D. 83.54? The answer is letter B. 82.54. Number 4, what is 5.84 rounded to the nearest tens? A. 5.8, B. 5.9, C. 5, or D. 6? The answer is letter B. 5.9. Number 5, what number when rounded to the nearest tens will become 45.8? A. 45.64, B. 45.73, C. 45.81, or D. 45.85? The answer is letter C, 45.81. Number 6, Shane walked 2.53 meters in going to the church. If you rounded to the nearest whole number, how far did Shane walk? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, or D. 5? The answer is letter B, 3. Number 7, Alexa worked for 8.75 hours a day. What is 8.75 to the nearest whole number? A. 8, B. 8.7, C. 8.8, or D. 9? The answer is letter D, 9. Number 8, what number when rounded to the nearest whole number becomes 75? A. 74.40, B. 74.54, C. 73.25, or D. 73.45? The answer is letter B, 74.54. Number 9, what is 68.28 rounded to the nearest tens? A. 68.1, B. 68.2, C. 68.3, or D. 68? The answer is letter C, 68.3. Number 10, what is 248.44 rounded to the nearest whole number? A. 248, B. 249, C. 244, or D. 258? The answer is letter A, 248. Letter B, complete the table by rounding the numbers to the nearest whole number and tens. Here's numbers 1 to 10. Answer. For your homework, read and analyze the given problem. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Show your complete solution. Number 1. What number is between 9 and 10? That when round off to the nearest tens stay the same. The ones digit and tens digit is both odd number. Number 2, what is the largest decimal number with 2 decimal places? which becomes 8 when rounded to the nearest whole number. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!